So, good evening, ma'am. We're going to tackle is about the basic concept of function. So, basic concept of function is a corresponds between two sets of elements such that with each element in the first set there corresponds only one element in the second set. The first set is called the domain and the set of all corresponding elements in the second set is called the range. So there is another way of saying it is that there is one and only one output with each input. So it says that the x is only have one y. Okay, one x one y. So here's we have the function notation here. Y is the output and the name of the function, and then the x is the input. Just like this. We have an example here: 2 and 3, 3 and 0, 5 and 2, 4 and 3. So this is the pair of the functions. If a function is have two sets, that is not a function. Okay. So here it says here that yes, every domain is different. So the domain needs to be different. If the domain is same, that's not a function. I mean, if there is double domain, okay? Here, determine whether the relation is a function. So here is 4 and 1, 5 and 2, 5 and 3, 6 and 6, 1 and 9. So it says here that no, 5 is paired with two numbers. So that means that is not a function. So here, this is the vertical line test. If any vertical line passes through more than one point of the graph, then that relation is not a function. Are these a functions? So the first one is a function because the line just go one one point only. The second one is a function too. Okay. The number 3 is no because it passes more than one point. Next one, given fx is equals to 3x minus 2. So number 1. So here we got an example here. F is 3, it's equals to 7. So we're going to find how does it comes 7. So here it says the given is the 3x minus 2. Okay, so 3 times 3 minus 2 is equals to 7. Why though? Because the f is the 3, so it's so the fx, we're going to put the 3 in the x, and then we're going to multiply it by the 3 again because the given was 3x minus 2. So 3 times 3 equals to 6 minus 2. So it comes out the 7. Okay. So here number 2. F is negative 2. So the negative 2 here, we're going to multiply it by 3. So 6 and negative 6, and then minus again with negative 2. So it comes out that negative 8. Okay. So here again we have an example again. Given z squared minus 4z plus 9. So we're going to find the negative 3. So we're gonna replace the z with negative 3 so we can find the come out. Okay, so the z here in z squared, we're going to put it with negative 3. So negative 3 squared. So what is the negative 3 squared? So it is 9 because 3 times 3 equals to 9. So here negative 4 times negative 3. Negative 4 times negative 3 is equals to 12. Okay? And then we're going to bring down the 9. So 9 plus 12 plus 9 is 30. So our h negative 3 is 30. So it's done. Thank you for hearing my discussion. Thank you, ma'am.